Here we go.
Thank you, Attorney Adrian Bustos. This is it. Who will
Guys, feeling ko
take home the crown tonight?
Feeling ko top 2
Good luck.
si Taguig at si Kainta.
Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited now. I'm nervous. Okay, here we go.
Wala nang top 3, tapos Q&A ulit.
Universe 2024 fourth runner-up is Taguig.
Fuck! Oh my god, really? No way. Oh my god. Naungusan pa siya ni Baguio?
Miss Universe Philippines 2024 third runner-up is
Baguio.
Baguio.
Yeah. Shit, Bulacan. Feeling ko Kainta, guys. Si Kainta. Okay siya sumagot. Mas relax yung mukha niya kaysa kay Atisha. Oh my goodness.
3 ladies left. Our Miss Universe 2024 second runner-up is
Wala na bang ibang title? Bulacan. Atisha?
Quezon Province.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Kainta! Oh putang ina! Kainta! Oh shit! Si Bulacan! Hello kayo dyan! Hello lahat ng mga ano dyan! Mga beauty pageant pages! Look! Ang pasabog! Si Bulacan! Pero for me, Kainta. I love Bulacan, pero the way she answered, it's not super palaban. But they both are relaxed. Oh my goodness! Pasabog! Pasabog!
Okay, 2 ladies remain.
Oh my God, pasabog!
And only one will be crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
Parang Leila Lopez, no? Parang Leila Lopez si Bulacan. I'm not bad at all kung sino mapili sa isa.
The Miss Universe Philippines title holder will receive the Mega World Samrita Award.
I love Bulacan. Ang tahimik lang niya. Wala siyang pakeme, pero bumulusok, dai. Kinalabutan ako.
Surge Fitness Lifestyle, PLDT Home, and Bingo Plus.
Kahit sino dyan.
Moarina, Philippines, ladies, are you ready for this prize?
Sayang si Camiguin, by the way.
Arbany, you're right. This moment right here. This is it, you guys. And we are all going to witness one night as we
Shit.
crown the new Miss Universe Philippines.
For me, it's gonna be Kainta. But I'm not bad kung si Bulacan.
Universe Philippines
Bulacan
will be crowned with
should
the
be supranational.
majestic crown from Julimer, embellished with golden South Sea pearls, considered as the Queen of Gems.
Kainta.
Living Pearl is a testament to Filipino
Supranational,
heritage,
Bulacan.
rarity, uniqueness, and diversity, a symbol of wisdom and enlightenment.
Kasi nung sumasagot siya, she's so relaxed. And talagang genuine yung sagot. Walang halong filter, walang harong aral ng dapat ganito. So genuine. Both are relaxed.
We will announce first is our new Miss Universe Philippines, followed by the first runner-up.
Kala ko may 3 title na ibibigay.
Okay, look too ready.
I'm so tense. And
Me
excited.
too. Oh my gosh. Whew.
Ladies and gentlemen,
It's
the
crazy.
moment of truth. Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is...
Kainta. Kinikilabutan ako dahil. Pero parang pag Bulacan, pasabog talaga yan. Grabe talaga si Bulacan. Bumulusok. Nawala lahat ng mga most favorites. Patagalin nyo yung intense. Shoota kayo, hindi pa kami ready. Grabe oh. Parang Miss Universe na talaga yung labanan oh. 'Diba? Napaka-international yung mga muka. I'm happy with... Ay, putang ina! Oh my God!
Run-up is Kainta.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Pasabog! Eto yung pasabog. Oh my God, nag-iinit yung mukha ko kahit nalamig-lamig dito sa Canada dahil naluloka ako. Ay, yung crown! Yung crown, hindi nag-fit. Ay, bongga yung crown. Dapat nakapahiga na lang sa likod. Ang bilis magpalit ni Michelle, ah. Oh my goodness! I'm okay na sana kay Kainta, pero... Wow! Oh my God, sinong nagulat, guys? Comment kayo.
This is it. Please take your first walk at Miss Universe Philippines
Oh my goodness!
2024.
Pasabog to,
You
guys.
did it!
I just really wish na you guys picked the best one. But I'm not really sad kasi talagang bet ko rin talaga si Bulacan kasi super sa preliminary talagang bumulusok siya. Least favorite, dark skin, pero wala siyang keme, wala siyang masyadong paingay, wala masyadong fans. Boom! Boom kayo lahat.
Round of applause to our new set of Miss Universe Philippines queens.
Ah, naiiyak yung ibang mga ano, oh.
And I am Tim Yap. Let me
Oh my God!
I am so happy because tonight we
Oh
can
my
really
God.
see how the Filipinos united to support
Akala ko, guys, may tatlo pang
comment, and
title.
spread love. I would also
Siguro,
like to thank Tutor,
first runner-up and second runner-up mapupunta yun. Uy, grabe! Sana, ay, good luck sa atin. First time nating magpapadala ng ganyang beauty.
Extending my heartfelt congratulations to all the men and women behind the Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Kamukha niya yung South Africa.
Truly made this event a
South
beautiful
Africa
success.
na kasabayan
And
ata ni
to our
Beatrice.
lovely audience,
Basta may
thank
kamukha
you
siyang
for
South
joining
African
me
na
and
contestant.
hanging out with us at the Backstage Lounge. This has
Oh my
been an
goodness.
honor